Indian Railway by Khobsda Kaisha Motha Hasini Lukruni Bagi Malkhong Kolok by Hakotoni Historical Thai Te Beraikhiri Thai Rogo Thangmanati Kaisha Yapri Naharka Mothanimung Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited Pula Beramni Train Buskang December Talni Chitham Shalmari Simi Shalchini Hor Chitham Barot Gorok Treno Agulni Simi Gujarat Thangnai Shumnat Ahmedabad Eba Dorra Darka Kabangma Berejangai Thayo Thangni Bagi Shep Plaizaka Aro Economy Standard Te Comfort Obahai Kaitam Shep Botongnai Asalo Agroni Press Club Koktoma Trimbuskango Obahina Kokshaka Mothri Tangfang Abo Haikino Agortola Bokasha Sport Nei Chongi Nazaka Aboni Bishingo Hastio Berejangai Thai Eba Berekiri Thai Songzaka Nuyungma Te Tripureshwari Motaindo
Guwahati is on a visit to Agardala to promote a tour package named Bharat Glorious Gujarat with Statue of Unity. ये भारत गौरव टूरिस्ट ट्रेन कंसेप्ट में पेश करता है। भारत गौरव टूरिस्ट ट्रेन कंसेप्ट जो है इंडियन रेलवेज और इंडियन रेलवेज केटरिंग एंड टूरिज्म कॉरपोरेशन ने बनाया गया है कि डोमेस्टिक टूरिज्म बढ़ाने के लिए इंटर रीजनल टूरिज्म बढ़ाने के लिए बनाया गया है। ये रेल फैसिलिटी यूज़ करके भारत का हिस्टोरिक मॉन्यूमेंट्स, रिच कल्चरल हेरिटेज और सीनिक ब्यूटी को दिखाने के लिए तो बनाया गया है। तो वी आर हियर टू प्रमोट दिस स्पेशल टूर पैकेज इन वर्ड Bharat Gaurav tourist train has already come to Agardala. The train originated from New Delhi and it visited number of places in Northeast India, and it also came to Agardala and neighboring districts in Tripura. The tourists, our clients, expressed a deep appreciation. They visited Ujjayanda Palace, Tripura Shri Temple, and number of other places. So now this is a brand that we are popularizing it. It's time for us to organize a trip from easternmost area to the western coast of India. So we have selected Agardala as our launching point for tourist train based on Bharat Gaurav tourist concept, to start from Agardala, and it will go to Gujarat, and it will cover the famous place of Dwarka, Somnath, Ahmedabad and Vadodara. You must be already familiar of the Statue of Unity, which has been recently completed, and it has become a world-renowned place. It has become a huge tourist attraction, and it is a symbol of national unity for our country. And then the tour package gives emphasis on spiritual and emotional experience. So we will be taking our clients to Dwarka Temple, Nageshwar Temple, Jyotirlinga Temple, Akshardham Temple at Ahmedabad, and also Sabarmati Ashram, which is related to national movement, independence movement, and Mahatma Gandhi ji ashrams set up by our beloved Mahatma Gandhi ji. So now that's about the attractions, and the train will originate from Agartala on 13th December, and the duration of the tour is 12 days and 13 nights. So it will start from Agartala, complete the tour, and bring back the clients or train to Agartala on 25th December. So they'll be here for the Christmas Day. So it's going to be very interesting one. Boarding and deporting stations after Agardala, it will be Dharmanagar, and for Shiljar area we have given stoppage at Badarpur, and it will go straight up to Guwahati, Rangya, New Bongaigaon, and so on. So they'll be drop back to these stations after the completion of the tour. And the train is a brand new LHP rake, Ling coach, Ling Hoffman coach. You must have seen that Rajdhani rake. It's newly built and it comprises of 14 coaches. So there will be 8 sleeper coaches, 3 AC3 coaches, 1 pantry car and 2 power cars. So total seats available are for sleeper class, non-AC 600 seats are available. We'll be selling it, and then for AC 213 seats are available. So the total seat is 813 seats are there to accommodate. And when it charges 22,910 rupees per person, and for standard it is 37,200 rupees, and for comfort it is 40,160 rupees. So for the 13 days, 12 days and 13 nights trip, the costs are quite reasonable. We have brought down to the minimum level in collaboration with railways. Railway is also giving subsidy at the tune of 33% to make the trip charge affordable.
Swarnakomal Jewelers Sharad Arga Ashamutaini Bagwi Kaham Shokhate Kaikalaimung Rujaknai 11th October ni simi 21 October jora Mega Lucky Draw Tongnai 40 gram ni rangsak ni kanmanai Tei Daily Lucky Draw Tongnai 3 home kitchen appliances Shalbroom kanmanai paimani logiwo Tongnai rangsak ni puisha 100% Kaikalaimung Rujaknai Hirani kanmanai ni bainao 25% Kaikalaimung Rujak Rangsakni kanmanai bainao Shalbroom paimani logio shokatbo rujaknai Kesam rangsakni kanmanai no selai ketal hallmark gnang rangsak painani sep kahambo rujaknai Asamutaini 13 jung sasa ongui tongthung Tripura hastini joto lukurongno asamutaini kha kaham yafaru